Improvement process. They do the continuous improvement and they make sure that the process is streamlined so that we get less number of rejections or non-conformity of the product, so that we can guaranteely deliver the product to the customer and say that yes, our products are perfectly okay, which increases the customer satisfaction. And we say that this is a simple solution. You can round the wire like this, as well as you can make the wire like this also, but you can see how many twists and turns are there. So this will become the process very complicated. So this kind of solution is very difficult to implement. When you have a kind of solution which is simple and clear, it will be easiest, so that it will work as per the plan. And before you consider any solution, you should take